Come and visit our beautiful farm.
Hello, little farmers. How are you all today? Now, children, today, we are going to explore the wonderful world of farm animals. This is a cow. All right, who knows what a cow says? That's right, it goes moo. Let's all say it together. Moo! Can you tell how many legs a cow has? Okay, let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means a cow has 4 legs. Cows are big and gentle, and they give us delicious milk. Tell me, who is this? Yes, this is a pig who knows what sound a pig makes. Yes, it's oink, oink. Can you all make that funny piggy sound? Can you tell how many legs a pig has? Okay, let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means a cow has 4 legs. Pigs love to be in the mud. Look how beautiful they are in the mud. Okay, now let's move on to the next friend on the farm. Little farmers. Now, let's move on to the next friend on the farm. Neigh, neigh. What animal makes that sound? Yes, it's the horse. Horses are strong and love to run. Can you show me how you gallop like a horse? See, cow, pig, and horse have 4 legs. Who here knows what sound a chicken makes? Yes, it's cluck, cluck. Can you tell how many legs a chicken has? Chickens and ducks give us eggs. Now, let's flap our wings to the next friend. That's right, it's quack, quack. Duck has 2 legs. Okay, let's count now. 1, 2.
Let's fly over to our final furry friend. What animal makes a baa, baa sound? That's correct, it's the sheep. Do you see sheep also have 4 legs? Sheep give us soft wool to make warm clothes. Well done, little farmers. Today we learned about our farm friends. Next day I will bring you another interesting story. You guys have to be careful, right? Bye bye.